Welcome back, everyone. With summer coming up, you may be looking to get your kids involved in summer camps. And while there seems to be a variety of sport camps out there, when it comes to extracurricular STEM programs, not so much. So lucky for us, Leo and Elise Silva noticed this was a problem, and they found a solution. They're here to tell us about it today, alongside some students who are going to do some demonstrations for us. But first, can one of you explain a little bit about what Engineering for Kids is?
Absolutely,
what you offer?
Yeah. So ours are extracurricular programs, enrichment programs for kids ages 4 to 14. Okay. We do classes during the school year, and then during summer we do a lot of camps.
Okay.
And so it's all about the fun of learning and the fun of using math and science in real life situations.
Engineeringforkids.com for people to sign up. Okay, I want to get that in. I think it's great what you guys are doing. STEM is important. So you're going to do a demonstration. I hear something with a drone.
Yeah, so
okay.
Here we go, Edwin. Edwin's going to go ahead and fly our drone, which is part of our new curriculum. You can go ahead and fly, but...
Woo! Do we need goggles?
Yeah.
Safety first.
Always.
Wow! And you're doing that, Edwin?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
So part of our curriculum, we teach kids how to program the controllers, how to fly the drone autonomously, and they can also convert into hovercraft and fly it and drive it and race it. So we do all kinds of fun stuff with the drones while teaching them how to code and customize it to their needs.
Wow, that's incredible. Now, can you land it? That's the big question.
You can land it on the floor, Edwin.
You can land it on the floor, or you can take out one of our cameramen. I won't say anything.
It's styrofoam. It's really lightweight.
I like that.
So
okay.
it would take out the drone and fall to pieces, and they put it back together again.
Oh,
so, yeah,
nice. And
really
we
safe.
have a magic trick here, too.
So we do have a camp called Magic is Science.
Okay.
And so we have all kinds of science magic tricks. I brought a couple of them, and Emmeline and I kind of like engineered one today. So do you want to show?
There is nothing in the tube, right?
Nothing. I can see nothing.
Now there is something in the tube.
Oh, wow. What?
Where was it? It's just a simple engineering project. We have some a little more complex than that, but of the projects all center around science and physics and math, and we talk about how those things affect illusions and magic
That's
tricks.
so cool. And you guys like Engineering for Kids? Is this fun?
Yes. It's really fun.
Oh, I love hearing that. All right, guys. Well, like you said, engineeringforkids.com. You can sign your kids up for their camp, get them involved. Registration will be open throughout the summer camp until Friday, August 9th. Is that right? Mm-hmm. All right. So, yeah, they have a full list of classes, times, locations, prices, and more. Thank you all for coming in, for showing me those cool things.
Thank you.
All right. Now